The human-centered design process is a way to solve problems in communities by really understanding the needs and feelings of the people who are facing those problems. Here's how it works.
First, we take the time to listen and learn from the people in the community. We talk to them, ask questions, and try to put ourselves in their shoes. This helps us truly understand what they're going through and what they need.
Then, armed with this knowledge, we come up with lots of different ideas to fix the problem. We brainstorm creative solutions that could make things better. But we don't stop there. We make prototypes, sort of like rough drafts, of our ideas. This could be a model, a drawing, or even a simple version of a new thing we want to create.
Next comes the important part. We share these prototypes with the people in the community. We ask for their thoughts and feedback. They tell us what they like, what they don't like, and what could be even better. This step is crucial because it helps us make sure our solutions really fit their needs.
We take their feedback seriously and use it to improve our prototypes. We tweak and adjust things until we have something that everyone agrees is a great solution. Then we put that solution into action.
The human-centered design process is awesome because it involves the people who are actually affected by the problem in finding the solution. It's like teamwork between the experts who design things and the experts who live the problem every day. This way, the solutions are more likely to work well and have a positive impact on the community. It's all about making sure that the community's needs and wishes are at the heart of the solution.
The human-centered design process is a powerful approach that can benefit a wide range of people, making their lives better and solving real problems. Here are a few examples of who might benefit from this approach.
Farmers in rural areas might face challenges like unpredictable weather or difficulties with irrigation. By using the human-centered design process, they can work with designers to create tools or methods that better suit their needs. This could mean developing new irrigation systems that are easy to use and maintain, helping them grow more food and improve their livelihoods.
Elderly people might have trouble with everyday tasks or staying connected with loved ones. Human-centered design can lead to products like easy-to-use smartphones or home assistance devices that cater to their specific needs. This way, they can stay independent and engaged in their communities.
Students could benefit by using human-centered design to make their schools more effective and enjoyable. They could collaborate with teachers and designers to create interactive learning tools or design classrooms that encourage creativity and active participation.
Doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals can use the human-centered design process to find better ways of treating patients. They can design tools, equipment, and systems that are more user-friendly and efficient, enhancing patient care and safety.
Entrepreneurs starting their own businesses can use human-centered design to develop products or services that people actually want and need. By understanding their customers' preferences and problems, entrepreneurs can create more successful and relevant offerings.
City planners can benefit from the human-centered design process to create cities that are more livable and sustainable. By involving the community, they can design public spaces, transportation systems, and housing that cater to people's needs and desires.
Non-profit organizations working in underserved communities can use human-centered design to develop programs that truly make a difference. By listening to the people they aim to help, they can design initiatives that are more effective and responsive to the community's needs.
In essence, the human-centered design process benefits anyone who wants to create solutions that are meaningful and effective. By involving the people who will use or be affected by these solutions, we can ensure that the end results are more relevant, useful, and impactful. It's a way of making sure that our efforts lead to positive changes that genuinely matter to the people involved.
For Christians, using the human-centered design process to solve community problems is deeply tied to their faith's core teachings of love, compassion, and caring for others. Jesus Christ's teachings emphasized kindness, helping those in need, and treating others as you would want to be treated. The human-centered design approach aligns perfectly with these principles.
When Christians use the human-centered design process, they are putting people at the heart of problem solving. Just as Jesus showed empathy and understanding toward people's challenges, human-centered design begins by really listening to the concerns and needs of community members. This is crucial because it means that solutions are not imposed from the outside but are based on what the community actually requires.
The process involves collaboration, much like how Christians are encouraged to work together to make the world a better place. In human-centered design, community members become co-designers, contributing their thoughts and ideas. This mirrors the sense of community and unity that Christianity promotes.
Additionally, the iterative nature of human-centered design aligns with the Christian concept of continuous improvement and growth. Just as Christians strive to become better people, solutions are refined through testing and feedback, making them more effective and relevant over time.
By applying human-centered design, Christians can show love in action. They can address problems that affect people's well-being, like lack of access to clean water, education, or healthcare. By creating solutions that truly understand and respect the people they're helping, Christians can live out their faith and make a positive impact that reflects the teachings of Jesus.
Human-centered design can greatly assist in solving community problems by providing a structured and effective approach that prioritizes the needs and experiences of the people you're trying to help. Here's how it can help.
Human-centered design begins with in-depth research and conversations with the community members facing the problem. This helps you gain a thorough understanding of the issue from their perspective, ensuring you're tackling the right problem in the right way.
By engaging with community members and hearing their stories, you develop empathy. This emotional connection drives you to create solutions that truly address their needs and challenges, making your efforts more meaningful and effective.
Through brainstorming and ideation, you'll generate a wide range of creative solutions. This encourages you to think outside the box and consider new angles on the problem.
The human-centered design process involves the people affected by the problem as co-designers. By involving them in the solution-finding process, you gain valuable insights and create a stronger sense of ownership and acceptance of the solutions.
You'll create prototypes or mock-ups of your solutions and test them with the community. This step helps you identify what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine and improve your ideas before implementing them fully.
The process is iterative, which means you go through cycles of testing, feedback, and refining. This ensures that your solutions continuously improve based on real-world feedback, making them more effective over time.
Human-centered design ensures that the solutions you create fit the specific context and needs of the community. This personalized approach increases the likelihood of success.
Because human-centered design solutions are rooted in the community's input, they are more likely to be sustainable and have a lasting impact. Solutions that truly resonate with the community are more likely to be adopted and maintained over time.
Community engagement. The process fosters a sense of community engagement and collaboration. It brings people together to work on a shared goal, fostering a sense of unity and empowerment.
Making a real difference. Ultimately, human-centered design allows you to create solutions that matter. You're not just solving problems on the surface, you're addressing the underlying needs and making a positive impact in the lives of the community members.
In essence, human-centered design guides you to listen, collaborate, and create solutions that are respectful, effective, and impactful. It ensures that your efforts are truly aligned with the community's needs and aspirations, leading to more successful outcomes.